If you want to convert a video to MP3 in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to turn your video into an audio file, step by step, so you can save just the sound without the video. This is super useful if you want to extract music, voiceovers, podcasts, or any audio from a clip and use it separately. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and make sure your project is ready. If you already have a project open, that's perfect. If not, start a new one so you can work with your video file. Next, click the import button and upload the video you want to convert. Once the file is imported, drag it down onto the editing timeline. This is important because CapCut needs the video placed in the timeline before you can work with its audio or export it properly. Now, if you only want to separate the sound first, you can do that as an optional step. Right-click the video clip in the timeline and then choose Extract Audio or Separate Audio depending on the version of CapCut you're using. CapCut will split the audio from the video and place it on its own track. This is helpful if you want to preview the audio, make edits, or remove unwanted parts before exporting. Once your video is in place and you're ready to save the audio, go to the top right corner and click the Export button. This opens the Export Settings menu. Here, you need to adjust a few options carefully so you save only the audio and not the full video file. In the Export menu, look for the option that controls Video Export and uncheck Video Export. After that, select Export Audio. This tells CapCut that you want to output only the sound from your project. Then, choose MP3 as the file format. MP3 is one of the most common audio formats, and it works great if you want a lightweight, easy-to-share file. Next, choose your file path or destination folder so you know exactly where the exported MP3 will be saved on your device. It's always a good idea to pick a folder you can find easily, like Downloads or Desktop, especially if you're exporting multiple audio files. After that, double-check your settings one more time to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click Export. CapCut will process the file and save your video's audio as an MP3. Depending on the length of your video and the speed of your device, this may take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll have a clean MP3 file you can play, share, upload, or use in another project. And that's how you convert videos to MP3 in CapCut. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when you only need the audio. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.